Cascadeur AI, revolutionizing 3D animation. Good morning everyone. Today, I am going to talk about an exciting AI-powered tool for 3D animation called Cascadeur. Animation is an important part of modern entertainment and technology. We see 3D animation in movies, video games, advertisements, short films, virtual reality, and online content. But creating realistic 3D animation is not easy. Animators have to control characters, poses, movements, balance, timing, and physics. Creating a single realistic action can take hours or even days of work. This is where Cascadeur can make a big difference. Cascadeur is a 3D animation software designed to help animators create realistic character movements more easily. It combines traditional animation techniques with physics-based tools and AI-assisted features. One of the most interesting things about Cascadeur is its focus on posing and physical movement. Imagine you want to animate a character jumping, running, falling, fighting, or performing an action. In traditional animation, you may need to carefully adjust many body parts and keyframes to make the movement look natural. Cascadeur can help with this process by providing tools that make it easier to create and refine realistic poses and motion. Its AI-assisted features can also help animators work with existing animation data and improve movement. For example, an animator may have a basic sequence of poses but notice that the character does not look properly balanced. Instead of manually adjusting every part of the character, Cascadeur's tools can help make the movement more physically believable. Another important feature is physics-based animation. Real human movement follows physical rules. When a person jumps, their body has weight. When they land, their body needs to maintain balance. When they run, their arms, legs, and body move together. Making these movements look realistic requires an understanding of physics. Cascadeur helps animators work with these principles, making it easier to create believable motion. This can be especially useful for game developers. In video games, characters need to perform many different actions: walking, running, jumping, climbing, fighting, falling, and interacting with objects. Creating all these animations manually can take a lot of time. Tools like Cascadeur can help speed up the animation workflow while giving artists control over the final result. It can also be useful for independent animators and small studios. Large animation studios may have teams of specialists, but individual creators often have to handle many tasks themselves. AI-assisted animation tools can help reduce some of the technical workload and allow creators to focus more on storytelling and creativity. However, AI does not replace the animator. A computer can calculate movement, suggest adjustments, and assist with technical tasks, but the animator still decides what the character should do and how the movement should feel. This is important because animation is not only about movement. It is also about emotion and storytelling. A character walking slowly can show sadness. A sudden movement can show fear or excitement. A powerful pose can communicate confidence. These creative decisions come from the animator. Cascadeur simply provides tools that can help bring those decisions to life. Another advantage is that AI-assisted tools can make animation more accessible. Someone who is learning 3D animation can experiment with movement without having to master every technical detail immediately. As they practice, they can understand poses, timing, balance, and physics while creating their own animations. Of course, users still need to learn the fundamentals of animation. AI is not a shortcut to becoming a great animator. The principles of timing, spacing, posing, anticipation, follow-through, and storytelling are still important. But AI can act as a powerful assistant. Looking toward the future, AI is likely to become an even bigger part of animation. We may see tools that allow creators to describe a movement using natural language and generate a starting animation. For example, a creator might say, "Make the character jump forward, land heavily, and recover their balance." AI could potentially help create the basic movement, which the animator could then edit and refine. This could make animation faster while still keeping humans in control. To conclude, Cascadeur represents an exciting combination of animation, physics, and artificial intelligence. It can help animators create realistic character movements, improve their workflow, and spend more time focusing on creativity and storytelling. The future of animation is not about humans competing with AI. It is about animators using AI as a creative partner. AI can help with the technical work, but humans provide the imagination, emotion, and story. And when technology and creativity work together, the possibilities for animation are truly exciting. Thank you everyone for listening.